Gandang hapon po. Okay, our lesson for today is under multiplying fraction with simplest form. Ito po example. 2 over 4 times 3 over 5. First, multiply the numerator. 2 times 3 equals 6. And then 4 times 5 equals 20. So, 6 and 20. So, meron po pa siyang simplest form and 6 and 20. So, kukunin po natin ang GCF ng 6 and 20. Example, 6 and 20. So, kukunin po natin ang factors ng 6 is 2 times 3, 1 times 6. And then, 20 is 2 times 5, then 4 times 5, then 1 times 10. Okay. 2 times 10 pala. Ay, sorry.